Hey, what's up guys? We're going to continue to build upon the foundation of our previous videos on the chirp. In this video, we're going to learn how to play 16th notes, 8th notes, and quarter notes. If any time you are confused, remember to rewatch our previous videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. The tempo is at 86 beats per minute. Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move on to another example, but this time we're going to reinforce the basics. This means that we want our strokes to be clean, we want our strokes to sound identical, and we want them evenly spaced apart. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and move on to our third rhythm. We're going to continue to drive home the basics. So let's keep working on getting clean and even strokes. But this time, I also want you to focus on playing a steady and even tempo while counting out loud. All right, let's count it off. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the fourth example, let's try to put it all together while we focus on accuracy. We're going to continue to play clean and even strokes at a steady and even tempo while counting out loud. And we're going to step things up by trying to play this rhythm mistake-free. It may take a few attempts, but you want to be able to play this without any mistakes. Let's count it off. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We hope that you enjoyed this video. As always, make sure to practice this lesson several times with both hands. And if you haven't done so already, do us a favor and hit the thumbs up button. Also, if you liked the video, be sure to share it with anyone that will find the information helpful. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Peace.